Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friends, at first I want to share some incidents that has happened with me. It's basically I was out of market for the last almost 2 months because I faced some kind of accident. Yes, and it was really pathetic, which I couldn't avoid. And thanks to all of you who wished for me, who called me, friends, followers, mentors, who wished me to recover as early as possible. Thanks to all of them, because without your wishes, I wouldn't have recovered so fast. So thanks again to everyone for the best wishes which you had sent me. So I'll try to post videos from now on a regular frequency, because I have come back with a bang, you can say. Clear? So please do track my channel from now on again. So friends, in this video I'm going to share my thought on dollar index, and then I'll proceed to USDINR, and then I'll start with Nifty. Clear? So why dollar index? You know, a dollar is the strongest currency in this whole world, right? Now, our INR is also pegged against dollar. As you know that what is the value of USD INR presently? So it's around 73. So to be precise, it is 72.8 currently, right? So what is that 72.8? What is the significance of that 72.8? It means that $1 is equal to 72.8 INR, right? So in the same way, almost all the currencies in the world is pegged with dollar. It is considered as the base currency. Clear? Now, few things that you need to remember or notice here is that dollar index on the chart, when it is coming down, that means it is getting weak or it is getting depreciated. So when it is pegged with INR, that means INR will get stronger or it will get appreciated, right? So interestingly, you can see the dollar, the price of the dollar presently is, you can say its close is 89.95, right? So it is hovering exactly around this blue colored line which I had drawn while posting my earlier videos. It is approximately 89.5, and below that this is the low that I have drawn, that is 88.25. So this zone is a very strong zone for this dollar index. You know, previously also, whenever when this price came on this December end, and it started to get support from this zone, and throughout the month of Jan, February, it was hovering around this zone, and then after that there was some kind of bounce back, and then again it started to fall, and presently it is exactly at that level. So here I am expecting dollar to hover a bit of time, and then it has a very good possibility to come down. Yes, so let us discuss what will happen if it comes down and what will happen if it stays here or goes up from here. I'll explain both the scenarios. Clear? So 2 or 3 points that you need to remember is, whenever dollar index comes down, it is good for the emerging economies. So what are the emerging economies? It is basically India, it is China, it is South Africa, it is Russia, it is Brazil. So I mean, all the foreign funds, foreign institutional funds, they start investing into the emerging economy when the dollar index is coming down. So that is basically the thumb rule, that whenever it is coming down, foreign institutional investors start pouring their money into the emerging economies. Please do remember it. Now another important point here is, whenever dollar index is coming down or getting depreciated, it is good for all the commodities, especially the precious metals like silver, gold. Clear? I'll just squeeze it and show what can be the possible outcome from here on. Now let me just draw a trend line from here. I'm trying to draw a trend line from here. Here you can see that in November 2020, it breached this almost a decade old trend line in this dollar index. But previously, this zone was a very good support zone from where it went towards this 100, 101. And exactly price is hovering at this same zone currently, correct? But this is below this decade old trend line. So my friend, a decade old trend line signifies a lot of importance. Clear? So when it got breached and then again it got retested in March 21 and after that it came down again, that means buying is not getting generated so much in this zone of 91, 92. That's why it is unable to go up, right? So here I am expecting that with the passage of time, dollar index will definitely come down, and it is very good for Indian equity market. Yes, so whenever it will come down from this 88.25 or it will break this zone, just blindly go on investing into Indian equity. From my own perception, I would say that down the line, 5 years, it's a very long horizon though. There is a very good prospect for Indian economy because dollar index has a very good chance of coming below this 88.25. Clear? And that is a really golden opportunity for all the emerging economies, and Indian equity market is one of the hot spot among all the emerging economies. Now let me just show you USDINR now. Friends, in the meantime, I would like to tell you that I also have my Telegram channel. I'll share the Telegram link in the description box. Please do join it because I go on posting my videos, I go on posting few important charts or few informations which are very helpful. It will help you also as well. Few days back I had posted my thoughts on USDINR. If you join my Telegram channel, you will be able to see that post as well, that the important levels which I had shared there. Clear? So there I told that USDINR is presently hovering around 72.8. So I mentioned there that 72 to 72.5 is a very, very important zone for USDINR. So once this level gets breached, expect it to come down further by almost 2 points. So approximately it would come down towards this 70.5. Clear? And once 70.5 gets breached, expect it to come towards this 68.4. But that's a very longer perspective that I am sharing right now. On immediate basis, please do watch this 72 to 72.5 this zone, which is really acting as a very strong buying zone. So once this level gets breached on the downside, expect it to come towards this 70.5. Please do watch that chart which I had posted in my Telegram channel. I hope it would throw more light to you in details. Now let me just show you Nifty. I'll show Nifty spot chart. Clear? So this is Nifty spot weekly chart. So long ago, I mean for the last 4 months you can say, I had been sharing this Nifty chart where I mentioned the importance of 15,470. So 15,470 was touched almost 2 times, once in February and then again in the recent past. So 15,470 was a very key level for me, which got breached last week. Clear? Now you can see this 15,470 is getting respected. I mean this level is getting respected and price is above that. So till 15,470 gets hold, or you can say till this level gets respect from price, then I am expecting Nifty to move towards this 16 to 20, which is the next probable target from my end. Clear? But the condition remains is 15,470 should not get breached. If 15,470 gets breached, then 15,000 should be watched on immediate basis, below which it's again 14,780, this black colored line. Clear? So I am somewhat bullish on Nifty, keeping all things constant. You know, dollar index is really weak, and I don't think that dollar index has a very good possibility to bounce back from here until and unless some aberration or some kind of unexpected news comes up. Clear? So there is a very high chance for emerging economies to get sparked, and obviously Nifty is the hot spot among the foreign institutional investors. Clear? So please do follow my Telegram channel, where I go on posting my views, my charts, and very important events, or you can say informations as well. And don't forget to share it with your near and dear ones, and please put your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great trading session tomorrow. Goodbye.